Based on the passage, which statement is most likely true? A. Engaging children in altruistic activities can increase rates of recycling and reusing objects. B. Eco-friendly kids believe in equality among sexes. C. Helping more children connect with nature can make altruistic and eco-friendly behaviors more popular. Or D. Eco-friendly behaviors go hand in hand with happiness. Let's go through each choice and see if we can find ample evidence in the text to support it. A. Engaging children in altruistic activities can increase rates of recycling and reusing objects. We see mention of engaging children in altruistic activities at the end of the third paragraph, which tells us that the researchers found children who felt connected to nature engaged in altruism, or actions that helped other people. Based on the text, we can see that the feeling of being connected to nature leads to acts of altruism. This choice is suggesting almost the opposite, that engaging children in altruism will lead them to engage in more eco-friendly activities. As this isn't what the text tells us, we can mark it as incorrect. B. Eco-friendly kids believe in equality among sexes. We see this mentioned in the text in the same place as our previous choice. The researchers found children who felt connected to nature were also more likely to say they believed in equality among sexes. Although it's true that the researchers found a correlation between eco-friendliness and believing in equality between the sexes, nowhere does it say that this is true across the board. We'll keep an eye on this choice as we move on to our other options. C. Helping more children connect with nature can make altruistic and eco-friendly behaviors more popular. This seems to echo what we found when looking into our first choice, that the researchers found children who felt connected to nature engaged in altruism. Because the text tells us that the research revealed that children who connected with nature engaged in altruism, it doesn't seem like a leap to say that helping children connect with nature more will lead them to engage more in altruistic acts. This is likely our answer, but let's check out the last choice just in case. D. Eco-friendly behaviors go hand in hand with happiness. Happiness is a theme discussed throughout the entirety of the text, but nowhere does the text imply that engaging in eco-friendly behavior ensures happiness, which is what this choice seems to be suggesting. Therefore, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark C. Helping more children connect with nature can make altruistic and eco-friendly behaviors more popular as our final answer.